before when
Water activation is not expected at this time.
EAS. The
Now
top of
here is the
Pittsburgh,
synopsis.
1320
Seasonably warm temperatures today and tomorrow, and a chance of thunderstorms Thursday with a cold front. The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties. For today, considerable cloudiness with rain showers likely this morning, then partly cloudy this afternoon. Warm with highs in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming south 10 to 15 miles an hour this afternoon.
This was only a test.
Chance of rain. Highs in the mid-40s.
There they go.
Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.